Okay, so we're going to look at 1 2/5 minus 1 1/3. So this is a mixed number minus a mixed number. At some point, we're going to have to get a better understanding of factors and multiples in solving this. So let's get going. Our instructions are clear. Solve the lowest terms, okay? Lowest terms. So we're going to convert this first to an improper fraction. 5 multiplied by 1 plus 2, that's 7. 5 times 1 is 5 plus 2 is 7. So this is 7 divided by 5. That's the same thing as 1 2/5. Okay, minus 3 times 1 is 3 plus 1 is 4. So this is 4 over 3. Okay, so what are we looking at? We're looking at 7 over 5 minus 4 over 3. These denominators are not the same. So we have to find what we call the LCD, the least common denominator. And what that really is the least common multiple, in this case, of 5 and 3. Okay, so you have to find the least common multiple of 5 and 3. So what's a multiple? Well, let's list the multiple of 5. Okay, multiples of 5 are 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So what are multiples? All of these numbers that I just listed here, I can divide them by 5 and get no remainder. So that's what a multiple is. Okay, another way you can look at it is just going through your times tables. 5 times 1, 5 times 2, 5 times 3. As long as I can multiply it by a whole number and not get a remainder, this is a multiple. All right, so let's try it for 3. So I have 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, and I can go on. Just as from here, I could go on, okay? But I'm being asked to find the least common one. 5 and 3 are not common here. Neither are these, neither are these. But 15 is common here, and 15 is common here, and there is no other number that's common that's lower. Hence, 15 is the least common multiple, which is the least common denominator in this case, okay? So what do I do with that? I put a 15 here. Remember, this is how I got 15. I got 15 by finding the least common denominator. What are the denominators? They're 5 and 3. So I got to find the least common multiple so that 5 can go into 15 and 3 can go into 15. That is the purpose. Now, what do I do with that? I come here and I say 5 into 15 is 3. What does that mean? It means 5 times 3 will give me 15. 5 times what gives me 15? 3. That's what I just did. 5 into 15 is 3. 3 times 7 is 21. And I put my minus sign. 3 into 15 is 5. 5 times 4 is 20. I subtract, I get 1 over 15. 1 over 15 is my answer. And this cannot be reduced any further. So that's the answer to this question.